Next up, we have Eliseo, a senior studying mechanical engineering. He is practiced at finding the balance between his academics and social life, mostly due to the close community he's found here at Mines. Tell us more, Eliseo.
Gracias, Alex. Hi, everyone. When I was a kid, I always wanted to be an inventor and change the world. So when I found out I had the potential to go to college, I made school my priority. I even rode the bus across town to go to a college prep high school. And once I found out about Mines being the top engineering school in Colorado, I knew I wanted to go here. Coming from an underrepresented background, I was used to the mentality that I had to work extra hard to find success. Success to me is building a balanced lifestyle between what you love and what you want to do. And for me, that's family, friends, and building a professional engineering career to make change happen. Mines helps me achieve this by allowing me to dedicate my efforts to my studies while still challenging my academic skill set. Luckily, I've been able to find Mi Familia on campus through the Multicultural Engineering Program and the Society of Hispanic Professional Engineers. These student organizations give me the feel of a close-knit family, which come in handy during late study nights. Mines makes sure this is true for everyone, offering both social and professional events that bring the community together. With clubs and organizations that cover all interests and unique traditions like the M-Climb and E-Days, and professional development opportunities like our huge career fair specifically for engineers, scientists, and makers. There's something for everyone to get involved and find their family at Mines. I know I can trust what I've learned here at Mines to kickstart my career and make change happen. That's it for me. Back to you, Alex.
That's awesome, Eliseo. Your experience of finding a community to help you through the rigors of Mines is a fantastic story. Thanks again for sharing that.